and welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and in today's video we'll be looking at how I'm going to put on the two owls and the stick. So it's going to be a short tutorial today, but nonetheless very important. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I know there's a ton of you that watch my videos but have not subscribed yet. I'm talking to you. Please subscribe and support my channel if you like what you see. And if you want to see my progress so far on my wreath, please keep watching. So here's what my owls look like on the stick. I decided to attach them onto the stick off camera because they were a little bit of a pain to put on and hard to maneuver, and it was hard to get the camera in the right position, so I decided to put them on the stick and then show you afterward. And you know, the positioning is kind of up to you. There is no stamp for the second owl. I just kind of put it where the picture kind of had that little owl. But that's kind of what it's supposed to look like on the stick. And then you're supposed to attach the owls and the stick onto the wreath. I'm going to use a couple of pins to make sure that the owls don't move as I stitch them onto the wreath. I'm going to grab my owl with my left hand and I'm going to put a pin right about here to secure it. I'm going to just do the same thing with my purple owl, if I can put it in the right position. And use the picture on the instructions as a reference, and it gives you a good idea of where to position it. And you could always go back and reposition. So that's basically how you do it. And if you look at it and you're like, I don't like the position, then you can change it. So I ended up using kind of a running stitch on the back. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see it better on the second owl. You can see where I stitched it kind of along the body of it, just to give it a nice secure feel. So if I pick it up, then it's attached pretty securely. I also decided to put a little bit of a secure right here on the stick. So I just did a little tiny knot right there, just to kind of make sure the stick doesn't move around in the middle. I decided to use the dark green thread just to match the back. And those are the owls. So that is what my wreath is looking like so far, and in my next tutorial we'll be working on the third and final owl on this wreath, and I'm really excited to be almost done. I had to take a break this last couple of weeks for a couple reasons. One, my son had fall break, so I wanted to take a break with him and spend some time together as a family. Also, as many of you probably know, when you work with felt and when you're sewing a lot with your hands tend to get really dry, and it got to the point where fingers were super dry and started cracking, and it was rather painful actually. So I had to take a break because it's hard to sew when your fingers are covered in band-aids. So that's why I took a break. I don't know how long I can film outside. It's starting to get super cold here, and as you can see from the trees behind me, the leaves are starting to turn color, and that's a beautiful yellow color. And my tree in my yard is starting to, all the leaves are all over the ground. Yeah, my yard is covered in the leaves from my tree. So when it gets too cold, I'll probably start filming inside, but I just can't help but be out here because the leaves are so gorgeous and it's good for my complexion. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, push that like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and show me your support, because I know there's a bunch of you out there that love what I do and enjoy my videos, and I would just love to see my audience grow and share what I know and converse with you guys. So please leave comments down below with any questions or any type of comments that you have on my videos, and possibly ideas for new videos after my project is over. And since the Christmas season is coming up, I would love to do a Christmas tutorial for you. I have a couple ideas in mind, but I'm curious of what you guys want to see. So please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! And if you want to keep watching... So many cars, and it's freezing out here.